Good afternoon. My name is Pat Brooks and welcome to Loan Contract Analysis, the 10 basic questions that all loan contracts answer. The goal of today's seminar is to provide you with a universal and practical process for analyzing any loan contract using 10 and only 10 basic questions. For over a decade now, this process has been successfully applied to all types of loans, ranging from traditional bank loans to mezzanine financing to bonds to leverage buyouts. By using this process, you'll be able to significantly increase your efficiency and effectiveness in analyzing any loan contract. By using this process, you'll be able to gain a competitive advantage over the other side. So what is this universal process for analyzing any loan contract? Well, in essence, this process says that any loan contract may be analyzed by asking and ultimately determining how it answers or should answer each of 10 basic questions. Or said another way, any loan contract may be analyzed by asking and ultimately determining how it answers or should answer each of 10 basic questions. Or, to sum up, this process says that any loan contract may be analyzed by asking and ultimately determining how it answers or should answer each of 10 basic questions. The wonderful thing, the marvelous thing about loan contracts is that they answer the same and only the same 10 basic questions. So once you know these 10 basic questions and the various ways that they can be answered, then you'll be able to skillfully and effectively analyze and negotiate any loan contract. So what are these 10 basic questions that all loan contracts answer? Well, the 10 basic questions are as follows. Number 1, beneficiaries. Who has rights underneath a loan contract? Number 2, obligors. Who has obligations underneath a loan contract? Number 3, security or collateral. Against what assets may recourse be sought in the enforcement of a loan contract? Number 4, enforcement rules. What are the procedural, substantive rules by which a loan contract will be enforced or interpreted? Number 5, representations and warranties. What are the factual legal statements upon which the parties to a loan contract may rely? Number 6, conditions of the business deal. What has to happen or not happen in order for a party to be obligated to perform underneath the business deal? Number 7, the business deal. What is the allocation of control, economics, and risks among the parties to a contract? Number 8, taxes. What are the tax consequences of the transactions contemplated by a loan contract? Number 9, conditions of remedy enforcement. What has to happen in order for a party to be entitled to enforce its remedies underneath a loan contract? And finally, number 10, remedies. What are the remedies available in the enforcement of a loan contract? That is it. Those are the 10 basic questions that all loan contracts answer. By using those 10 basic questions in our process, you'll be able to successfully analyze and negotiate any loan contract. In the remainder of the seminar, we'll prove that all loan contracts answer 10 and only 10 basic questions. Then we'll discuss various ways in which loan contracts can answer each of the 10 basic questions. And finally, we will apply these 10 basic questions to a number of interactive case studies and demonstrate how our process can be used to effectively and efficiently analyze any loan contract or deal.